Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss about the exercise 9.3 of chapter number 9, Introduction to Trigonometry, from the book of first year mathematics. Exercise 9.3 question number 1 is verify the following. The first part, sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30 equal to sin 30. So take the left hand side. So sin 60 cos 30 and cos 60 sin 30. Put the values from table of trigonometry. Sin 60, the value of a sin 60 is square root 3 divided by 2, and cos 30 is also square root 3 divided by 2. And cos 60 1 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. Now after calculation, square root 3 becomes a 3 over 4 and there 1 over 4. 3 minus 1 over 4, 2 over 4, after calculation it becomes 1 by 2. And take the right hand side, sin 30, and sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Hence verified the left hand side equal to right hand side. And the next part is sin square pi by 3 sin square pi by 6 plus tan square pi by 4 equal to 2. So similarly take the left hand side, sin square pi by 6 means the 30 degree, and sin square pi by 3 means 60 degree, and tan pi by 4 means 45. Sin 30, the value of a sin 30 is 1 over 2 and square, plus sin 60 means square root 3 over 2 and then whole square, plus tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1 and square. 1 over 2 square means 1 over 4, and square root 3 over 2 square means 3 by 4, and 1 square is equal to 1. So again take the LCM, and after calculation 1 plus 3 plus 4 it becomes a 8 divided by 4, and this becomes is equal to 2, which is right hand side. So hence verified the left hand side equal to right hand side. Now student, the third part is 2 sin 45 plus 1 by 2 cosecant 45 equal to 3 by square root 2. So students, take the left hand side, 2 sin 45 plus 1 over 2 cosecant 45. Put the values from table. 2 sin 45 means 1 over square root 2 plus 1 by 2 cosecant 45. So cosecant 45 is the reciprocal of a sine, and then sine 45 is equal to 1 over square root 2. So it becomes square root 2 reciprocal. And next, so 2 over square root 2 plus, and this one square root 2 divided by 2, and take them rationalize the numerator, multiply square root 2 and divided by 2. So square root cancel, and 2 after cancel, and then square root 2 take LCM, 2 plus 1, and 3 divided by square root 2, which is equal to right hand side. Hence verified left hand side equal to right hand side. Part and the last part of this question. So in this part, square sin square pi by 6 ratio sin square pi by 4 sin square pi by 3 ratio sin square pi by 2, left hand side, and then sin square pi by 6 means 30 degree, sin 30 1 by 2 whole square, ratio sin pi by 4 means 45, so sin 45 is 1 over square root 2 square. Sin pi by 3 means square root 3 over 2, and sin pi by 2 90 is 1, sin 91. And after squaring, 1 over 4 ratio 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and is a 1, square 1 is 1. So multiply with 4 after multiplication. So this one, 4 multiply 1 by 4 cancel, and remaining is 1, and 2 4 cancellation, and then 2 4 cancel with each other, and 3 is remaining, and 4 multiply 1 is 4. So this is the right hand side. Hence prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. So student, the next question number 2, evaluate the following. The first is the tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 6, 1 plus tan pi by 3 and tan pi by 6. Put the values from table. Tan pi by 3 means square root 3, and tan pi by 6 means 1 over square root 3. 1 as it is, and tan pi by 3 tan pi by 6, put the values. Square root 3 cancel with each other, and in numerator take the LCM square root 3. This square root 3 multiply with this square root 3, it becomes a square root 3 whole square minus 1. So square root cancel, and see 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and this square root 3 in denominator, and 1 plus 1, 2 is also a denominator. So 2 square root 3 the whole denominators. 3 minus 2 is becomes a 2, and 2 with cancel with 2, and result is 1 divided by square root 3. This is the value of a given expression, this. And then second part is 1 minus tan square pi by 3, 1 plus tan square pi by 3. Students, pi by 3 same value from table. Pi by 3 means 60 degree, and put the value of tan 60 is square root 3 whole square, and in denominator 1 plus square root 3 whole square. 1 minus square root 3 square cancel with each other, and square cancel becomes 1 minus 3, and 1 plus 3 becomes minus 2 over 4, and after calculation this is equal to minus 1 by 2. So student, this is a very simple question. And the next question number 3, verify the following when theta is 60 degree and 45 degree. So in this part, the all questions are identities. Identities means which is satisfy the all values of a variable. And now this identity sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine cos, and the first of all angle is 30 degree. Now take the left hand side, sine 2 theta, and sine 2 theta means 30 degree. Put the values, and 30 multiply 2, it becomes a 60, and the value of a sine 60 is square root 3 divided by 2. And the right hand side is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, and cos 30 is square root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel with each other, and it becomes square root 3 divided by 2. So students, see the left hand side equal to right hand side. So this identity satisfy the angle 30 degree, value 30, and now same question, same identity for angle 45. So take the left hand side, sine 2 theta, and theta is a 45 now. 2 multiply 45 is 90, 90 sine 90 is equal to 1. And the right hand side, 2 sine theta cos theta, put the angle 45. Sine 45 is 1 over square root 2, and cos 45 is also 1 over square root 2. So multiply 1 over square root 2, 1 over square root 2, it becomes 1 over 2. And this 2 cancel with 2, and result is 1. So left hand side equal to right hand side. It means it verified that this given identity sine 2 theta equal to sine theta and cos theta, because this verify 30 and 40 and similarly all other values. So the remaining parts, student, do yourself. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comment. So student, the next question number 4, this is most important question. Find the value of x if tan square 45 minus cos square 60 equal to x sine 45, cos 45 and tan 60. So find this value of x. So put the values. Sine 45, tan 45 means 1 and square. Similarly, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and square. And then in next right hand side, x as it is, sine 45 1 over square root 2, cos 45 1 over square root 2, and tan 60 value is square root 3. So square of 1 is 1, and 1 over 2 square means 1 over 4. And right side, 1 over square root 2, 1 over square root 2. Cancel with each other, square root, and becomes 2, and this is square root 3 as it is. So in left side, take the LCM 4, and 4 ones are 4 minus 1, it becomes a 3 over 4. And right side, square root 3 over 2. Students, 2 divide, it becomes a multiple when move from right to left, and square root 3, it becomes a multiple and it becomes a divide when move from right to left. 2 and 4 cancel with each other, it becomes 3 divided by 2 square root 3. And here 3 and square root 3. After rationalization, 3 becomes square root 3 over 2. I hope students you understanding these all questions. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. And the next question is question number 5. Now student, this is the question number 5. Find the values of trigonometric function. So this is the most important question because in this lecture, in this question, there are many parts and all are depends upon coterminal angle, which is coterminal angle. The topic coterminal angles you also studied in 10th class, 10th grade, and the lecture of on coterminal angle is given in my previous lecture. You can see from there. So the first part, minus pi. Minus pi, since students the minus pi is equal to, because all angles are periodic, so minus 2 pi plus pi. Minus pi you can written in this form, minus 2 pi plus pi. Both are same value. Therefore, these are called coterminal angles. So student, calculate sine minus pi. Sine minus pi, which is equal to sine minus 2 pi plus pi, and after calculation or the coterminal sine minus pi, it becomes a sine pi. So sine pi, the value of a sine pi is equal to 0. Similarly student, cos minus pi equal to cos plus pi, and cos pi means minus 1. And next, tan minus pi is equal to tan pi, which is equal to 0. And cosecant minus pi becomes a cosecant plus pi, and result is infinite, means undefined. And secant minus pi and result is cosecant plus pi. Both are same, which is equal to minus 1. Same cot minus pi, cot plus pi, and also undefined. So student, you know about the coterminal angles. Minus pi and plus pi both have same results. So the next part is minus 3 pi. So minus 3 pi means minus 4 pi plus pi. It means the minus 3 pi and simple positive plus pi. Both these are concurrent coterminal angles, means minus 3 pi and plus pi have the same results. According to similar question number 1, sine minus 3 pi becomes a sine pi and result is 0. Same cos minus 3 pi becomes a plus pi, result is minus 1. And tan minus 3 pi equal to tan simple pi and result is 0. And all remaining parts same as 1. And the next third part is pi by 2, 5 over 2 pi. And the third part is 5 over 2 pi. So it's 5 over 2 pi, the coterminal of 5 over 2 pi. So this one, 5 over 2 becomes 2, 1 over 2 pi, and 2 pi separate and pi by 2 separate. It means 5 pi by 2 pi equal to pi over 2, which is equal to 90 degree. And both are coterminal angles. Now the sine pi by 5 over 2 pi equal to sine pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90, sine 90 is 1. And next, cos 5 over 2 pi equal to cos pi by 2, 0. And tan pi by 2 is infinite. Cosecant pi by 2 is 1 and secant pi by 2 is infinite, undefined. And cot 5 over 2 pi, cot pi by 2, 0. Means 5 over 2 pi and pi by 2. So both are coterminal. And all trigonometric ratios on 5 over 2 pi and pi by 2. Both results are same. So student, this question is depend on coterminal concept. The next part is minus 9 over 2 pi. Since the minus 9 over 2 pi equal to minus 4 pi and minus 1 by 2 pi. So minus 4 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 you can write in form minus 6 plus 2, and plus 2 solved by this one minus 1 by 2, and result is 3 pi by 2. The result minus 9 over 2 pi have the same value coterminal as 3 pi by 2. So you can easily find all trigonometric ratios on minus 9 over 2 pi, put sine, cos, tan on angle 3 pi by 2. So you can do yourself. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Same students, minus 15 pi is equal to minus 16 pi plus pi, and pi is the coterminal angle of minus 15 pi. Both have same results. All trigonometric ratios on minus 15 pi and plus pi same. So you can do it as same as 1. And the next, minus 2460 degree. So this is a degrees relation. Firstly, minus 2430 is convert into degree, multiply with pi over 180 is equal to minus 27 over 2 pi. So as exercise 9.1, in which we already discussed about the conversion of degree into radian. So minus 27 over 2 pi. So convert the coterminal angle, which is equal to pi by 2. Minus 27 over 2 pi equal to pi by 2. Both are coterminal angles. And pi by 2 you can I can discuss in part 3. So you can easily same as part 3. And the next, similar to my previous all types of question, 407 divided by 2, 407 divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 202 pi and plus 3 pi by 2. So it's 3 pi by 2, and same as part 4, you can easily find all values of 3 pi by 2. Those all sine, cos, tan, all 6 trigonometric ratios, all of you and calculate. And in this part, I focus on coterminal angles. I hope you understand about the coterminal angles and how we convert a larger amount of an angle into smaller amount. I hope you understand this question. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.